So I can't believe it. This channel is almost to 15,000 subscribers. Because of that, I'm gonna be celebrating by giving a lot of stuff away on the next live stream. It's gonna be a good one. Hey and welcome, my name is Danny Black, and I've been exclusively reviewing a lot of cool gear over the past year now. Set your calendars because in 1 week, I will be doing the live stream and I'm giving away the Falcon gimbal, a 4K action camera, a Gadget Club box, some Ulanzi lights, a bunch of GoPro accessories, and even a chance to spin the wheel for a scooter, a skateboard, a GoPro, and a lot of other stuff. So like I said, it's gonna be a good one. I feel like most channels don't even do something like this at 100,000. This is only 15. So it's just gonna get better and better from here. And there's 4 easy things that you need to do to win. Number 1, leave a comment on a corresponding video for what I'm giving away. And if that sounds confusing, just check down in the description and I'll have links to all the videos that I've made for what's on the giveaway. That way you can just go down, click, write a comment if you want it, and you'll have an entry. You can also leave a comment on this video right here and let me know which prizes you'd want to win, and that also gives you another entry. You do need to be subscribed to this channel to win, and you need to be watching live to win. Unless you have that exclusive membership tier. And speaking of memberships, I'll also be doing a giveaway for members only as well. And I will put all the info and links down in the description, plus a surprise link. And if you're like, I've heard you say surprise link so many times, what is that? It's actually just a fun or informative video that I've came across on YouTube. Maybe it's one of your videos. And speaking of that, I'd also love to do creator shoutouts on my live streams. So if you are a creator and you want to have a little highlight on my stream, make a 15 to 30 second little commercial about what your channel is and upload it to WeTransfer.com and send the link to mynameisdannyblack@gmail.com. It'd be really cool to see what you guys come up with and be able to highlight what you do. So set the date in your calendar, September 1st, 9 p.m. AEST, that's Australian Eastern Standard Time. If that's really confusing, here's a bunch of other time zones so that you know what the time is. So you can also set your alarm and wake up, or I don't know, maybe you'll be at work, take a lunch break. I'm gonna put a lot of work into this stream and hopefully it'll be fun and worth your time. And if you do wanna check out the memberships for exclusive content, live streams, and giveaways, check that out, memberships. And actually, you know what? I'm gonna give a special shout out to all of those members from this month. We have Michael Wiley, Whitney G, Sam Wong, Carol D, Daniel Lynch, Gabby Lynch, Annette K, Ted Dunn, Chandy Sayo, Robin Davis, TTV Something About Nothing, Donna Lowe, Scoot Dog Creations, The Lee Clan, Grab Life by the Goulet, Neil Hadley, Mary Scott, Aerial Gamer, Walker, Dakota Garrett, Gareth Rue, Ozflight Simmer, Allie Barton, Bridget Higgins, Drew Black, Hello Mom, Tech Teacher 3000, Hendrik Eber, Robert Mueller 89, Jelly Duck, Lisa Allen, Chuck Latour, Ben Wilson, Scott Davies, Shyla Rose, Xander Round, and Stephen McLaughlin. And for those members watching, I'm actually doing a Q&A and music live stream tomorrow night, so that should be fun. Looking forward to that. But there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.